Welcome back to the channel, everybody. We are surprisingly at day 60 in this grow together. And as you can see, we are down to 2 girls, but I think that was a smart choice. If you look back on my previous video, you'll understand we had a huge bump in the road in July. And this was the best, I think, solution to separate one of mine, banished her, and left the tent to these two to finish their flowering. So at 60, for most cannabis, they're pretty much at that stage where you can look closer at the trichomes. We haven't talked at all about trichomes. And those are what gives the cannabis this sticky, delicious flavor. And I would like to introduce what I use. Where can I get it here? My loop. And I would like to be able to allow you to see what I see by using these photographer loops. You can easily get these anywhere online. But what that does is allows us to really go in deep and see what those little mushroom-shaped vessels that hold the flavor, the oils inside. And when those little mushrooms go from clear to cloudy, and then from cloudy to a little more honey colored, as well as, I'm going to zoom in here, and can I get any closer? I want you to see how how those pistils, those things that are reaching out, they still want that pollen. But after a while, they give up, turn brown, and that's another indication that they're getting very close to harvest. The stacking is very nice. Also at this stage, 60, day 60 in flower, you can really start to eliminate a lot of the fan leaves that are left, because this is the last push. Let's look over at the sativa. She's doing better. I'm going to give them both 10 more days because I think they both had a setback and are showing a comeback. And look at those white pistils. We want those to turn amber. They're still stretching. They're still stacking on her. Less leaves with the necrosis. Like there's an example of we don't want to see. But I think she is well. At day 60, they are looking healthier than they did 10 days ago. So, today's ideas: get a loop. See what you can see by going close in to see those trichomes. It's really incredible. All right, until next time.